We have our sweet little Maverick back, and he is going to harvest the rest of the potatoes. Well, the rest of the potatoes that are ready to be harvested. This is his. I saved this for him. So go ahead, Maverick. Okay, this is probably down underneath the ground. Just that stuff can just lay on the ground. Lay that to the side. We don't need that in the bucket. And we got some potatoes in here. Oh, there's one coming out. Ooh. Keep all the soil that you can down in there. Just like break it off like that down in there, pull the potato off, put it in the bucket, and then we'll put these.
You want me to dig
We'll
this
go.
up?
Yeah. Looky there.
Is this a potato?
It is, but you can drop that back down in the thing.
So it can grow?
We'll let it grow another one.
Okay.
Because Mimi's not going to plant anything.
Let me guys put this back in the ground too.
No, we'll take that one.
There's a spider in here.
Getting a good bit, Maverick.
I got two.
Awesome.
Two together. Can I take these? Ooh, this one's gonna be a good one. That's about the size that red potatoes get.
That's a pretty good one.
Mm-hmm.
Can I get this one or no?
I'll put it back in there.
Ooh. Maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Put this back in?
Nope, put it in the bucket. That's some zinnia seeds right there I need to save. Come around there. Dig down in there good.
Oh, what is this? Oh, a mealworm.
That's a snail.
Oh, that's
Look at
a
there.
mealworm.
Look at that, get that. Don't worry about that. Look at that right there. That one fell out.
Do I get these two?
Yeah,
And these?
those little ones, those we keep. Any like that or smaller, we keep in here, and they'll.
These? Put in there.
Yeah, put those in there. I believe you got them all, Maverick.
Can I take a shower?
There's something rooting right down in there. Good job, Maverick. Oop, 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 oop. See what they'll do? Okay.
Okay.
And you're gonna stand in front of the camera and you're gonna hold your basket up just like this. Stand up. Get up a little closer. And you make sure you got a good picture.